The horrific scale of plastic pollution in the world's oceans.
Ever since the invention of plastic in 1907, plastic has been an ace, or claimed to be a really important material, because of its efficiency in many aspects and cheap price to pay. And without realizing it, we became dependent on them. We use plastic in everything, starting from packaging for shipment, and even shopping bags for shopping, and also straws to drink, and plastic spoons for eating. And even now, 60% of our clothing is made of synthetic fibers, a type of plastic. Guys! I have really important information for you. Did you know that more than 220 million tons of plastic rubbish will be generated in 2024? So, what can we do? Well, we can help the environment in reducing plastic waste by recycling and reusing them. How, you may ask? Well, let's check this out. One of the ways to recycle plastic waste is by reusing them and crafting them into something new. Hi, my name is Syahrizal. You can call me Audi, and I'm a student from Tumbu High School. Today, I will show you how to make a plastic card wallet. The materials and tools are very simple and you can easily find them at home. For the materials, you only need old or used plastic bags, and for the tools, you'll need scissors, double tape, needle and thread, marker, ruler, and a clipboard or a flat surface board. And you'll need parchment paper, but you can also replace them with half-S paper or paper folder. And lastly, you will need an iron. Firstly, you need to prepare all of your materials and make sure that everything is ready. The first step is to grab your scissors and cut your plastic bags into two sizes. First, you'll need 3 big bases for the wallet, and you'll need to cut the other plastic into smaller pieces. The shape can be anything depending on your design. Alright, after preparing all the plastic bags, now we need to plug in the iron. But be careful, be responsible while using the iron. Alright, now we're going to iron the wallet. So you're going to lay down a sheet of parchment paper, like so, and take one plastic base and put it on top, like that. And take another plastic base and layer it. After layering it, you will close it with the parchment paper, like so, and iron it. And we need to let it cool down before you lift it up from the parchment paper. Okay, after peeling it open, carefully, you don't want to rip it. Now we're going to stick the last base. I'm going to use this pink plastic, stick it on top. And this is where you can add all your tiny ornaments. I'm going to add a bubble wrap first. And I'm going to add these small plastic pieces that I cut up earlier. To arrange these is up to you, according to the design that you're attempting. I'm going to put in all the yellow plastic. And you can also use this aluminum plastic. This is from like a packaged food, or chocolate wraps, or candy wraps. You can stick it too. After this, you're going to close it with your parchment paper again, like so, and iron it again. Be careful, once again. On the last step, you're going to grab your clipboard or like flat surface board. I use my weekly schedule board, and put it on top of the parchment paper and press it down. After that, let it cool before lifting the parchment paper. Let's peel it open. And it will turn out like this. Alright, now we're going to do the fun part, which is draw the wallet design. So set your sheet down and grab your ruler and marker, and let's draw the design. Alright, after drawing the design, now cut out the design. So we're going to start from here Now that you have your design cut out, we're going to stick the sides right here with double tape. So actually, you can stop at the double taping step, but to make your wallet stronger, grab your needle and thread, and we're going to sew it. Ta-da! And your wallet is ready to be used. You can put in coins like this, and you can also put credit cards or playing cards inside, and you can close it with this band right here. And lastly, you can also put in money, and you can also close it with the band. Okay, it's trendy, it's unique, environmentally friendly, and easy to make. I hope you can make it at home. See you!